Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to turn that internship into a job in the organization where you're interning. And so I've got three basic principles that I think can help any intern turn that internship into a job. Principle one, no surprise, work ethic. During the interview process, most candidates speak to the fact that they have a great work ethic. The internship is a time to showcase that you do have a great work ethic. Those who showcase they have a great work ethic obviously have a leg up over others. I think the second principle that can really help turn an internship into a job is networking. Networking in the organization where you're interning, and not just with the department where you're interning. I think there's a tremendous amount of opportunity to take people of different experiences out to lunch, have a cup of coffee with them, learn from them, learn who they are, talk about who you are, connect with people, and the more you connect with people in that organization, hopefully the more they're going to want to work with you and work beside you in the future. And the third principle is be decisive. Most interns come in and they're just trying to feel out where they want to be, learn, take away some, knowledge, get some work experience. And employers are looking for candidates that might turn into entry-level positions. And so when you're interning, most people and most organizations end up asking interns, would you ever consider working here when you graduated? And if the answer is, I think maybe, and if all the stars aligned, and I still got to figure out this, that, and the other thing, I think you set yourself at a disadvantage. Employers want those who are passionate, curious, and really hoping to seize the opportunity. The candidate that says, I would give anything to work here, I love the experience, I love the culture, this is the job I want, gives an employer great comfort because they're going to invest a lot of time and dollars into entry-level candidates, and they want to make sure they're choosing the right one and someone who really wants to do this. So those who are indecisive about what they want to do give themselves a disadvantage. It's certainly okay not to know what you want to do when you grow up. That's not what I'm saying. But I am saying if you want to turn that internship into a job, then you need to be decisive about wanting that job. And then I think a bonus tip would be to be inquisitive. When it shows a tremendous amount of intelligence to inquire and to be curious. And so those interns who want to know about this process and procedure and find this business transaction interesting and try to continue to learn and grow is a real coup, and employers embrace that, and you set yourselves apart when you're showing this passion to grow and learn. That's the type of candidates that employers are looking for. So that's what I got for you today on the 3 tips on how to turn your internship into a job. Thanks.